for today's video is really exciting because I'll be unboxing this RF device. It's the secret of staying young. And before I start up this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. You go follow my Instagram, which is @Dominic_NKI. So by the way, if you guys want to know more about this product, just keep on watching. So let's unbox it. It's an all-in-one product. That's why I decided to give it a try. So by the way, if you guys are wondering, I got mine from IZ MART PH for only 2,800 pesos. And it's really light and really handy. So you guys can take this anywhere. It's travel friendly. Comes with this cover for protection. We have the charger. Just charge it for like 2 hours. So yeah. So it also comes with a pouch, so you guys can store your beauty device here. You can just store the product here, so that after using the product, you can take this anywhere. Just make sure to wipe it after using it. Got cotton pads here. So I'm just gonna go take one. I'm gonna go clean this one before I use on my face. Sanitize it. You can clean the handle as well. Gonna go get more. So here's the multifunction beauty device user's manual. I will show you. We'll see the function diagram here. And then here's the main function. Here's the RF, the EMS. Shows the benefit of each light, such as the red light, blue light, the mode and working status. And then here's the operation steps. And here shows the treatment operation process. Take off the fixed ring. And then we're now gonna turn it on. You're just gonna go click power. Yeah, just once. And just press the power button. Just press the power button. So click once. And you can now change the mode. See, there's export mode. There's import mode. And then there's EMS. To change this, all you have to do is just click the upper button. And tada! There's RF. And then LED. Okay, so next we have the light rejuvenation, which has lots of benefits. So we have the red one. Just double click it. So we have the green, we have the blue here, and then the yellow, and then we have the purple. So the red light enhances skin elasticity, shrink pores, remove wrinkles, and rejuvenate skin. If you guys want to get rid of those wrinkles, the red one is for you. I like using all the colors, and then my favorite is yellow. The next we have here the green. The green light removes acne, blackheads, and even pimples. If you feel like your skin is breaking out, the green is for you. So just have to do this one. So next you can use the blue one. If you have oily skin, if you want to get rid of those bacteria on your face, especially if you guys went out, just use the blue light. Okay, the next one is my favorite, yellow light. So the yellow light helps with anti-aging, for the wrinkles, and this rejuvenates the skin. So all the colors helps improve your skin. Next we have the purple light. So it says here to enhance the penetration of the essence naturally and fully absorbed. And by the way, if you guys want to turn it off, just press it long. And it's already off. So first, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 products that you can use. So the Innisfree Soybean Energy Essence. This helps with brightening, removing dead skin cells. This Innisfree Pomegranate Revitalizing Serum. I'm going to be using this one later, but for now, I'm going to be using this one. Okay, press it low. We got the IR. So the IR has heating effect, promoting blood circulation, cell regeneration. So the IR helps repair skin damage. I'm gonna be using this one. So excited. So already washed my hands, guys. And I'm gonna be using the essence. Just the right amount. Just pat it all over your face. Turn it on. And then place it here. And then if you use it, just put it upwards, guys. It helps with skin improvement. Actually, I'm feeling the heat right now, so that the skincare products will be more effective when you use this one. By the way, this promotes with blood circulation, and it's really relaxing. You can start here in the forehead. Just lift it upwards. Go straight from the chin to the outside of the ear, so it helps with the V-line. And then start here under the eye, lift it upwards. I can feel the heat. It's not too hot, so you won't feel it at first. So relaxing. Next, we're just gonna start here. Collarbones as well.
A few moments later.
If you guys want to take off your makeup, just go click export mode. Double tap lang. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's actually vibrating. So this is good for taking off your makeup makeup. So if you have makeup right now, you can use this one in the bathroom. So it is good for deep cleaning facial dirt with expert mode. It does remove all the makeup. So next we have the import mode. I'm going to be using essence so that our essence will be fully absorbed. And I'm going to be using the import mode but still has like a vibration effect. If you're feeling haggard lately, just use this one. You're going to use the mode every 5 minutes. So I'll be right back, guys. So we have here EMS. This is electrical muscle stimulating. It has a high energy pulse acupuncture, so you guys can feel like a tingling effect into the skin, but it's not too painful. And if you guys want to have the V shape, we're gonna use this one. So I'm using the serum. Anyway, this is good for tightening your skin. Guys, I suggest using this one every night so that you'll see the effect of it. Use it every day if you guys have time. You can just lie down and chill and then do this. You can just change it and then it will help improve your skin. Your skin will glow for sure. So I'm just gonna do this, guys. And I really like this. You can feel the tingling. Lift the forehead. It's like going to a spa treatment already, but instead you can use this one at home and anytime you want. So I'm gonna be using this product and I'll be right back. My skin is kind of hot right now. I can feel it. It's because of the heat. If you guys use this one all the time, you can really see the effect of it. I really like this one. I'm gonna go keep this. I like that it comes with cotton pads. You just use cloth. You can use wipes to clean it. So I'm gonna be using this one. You can take off the dirt already. Just clean it in the handle. And by the way, so this is the charger pala if you guys are wondering. And that's it. And you're just going to charge it. Anyway, so that's it for my review. This is a must-have, to be honest. I like to use this one because I feel like my skin is already glowing when I use this. If you guys want to contour your face, if you guys want to lessen those baby fats, to have a better absorption of skincare products, make sure to have this one. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and to subscribe for more. By the way, please don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is at Dominic_NKI. So that's it for today's video. See you guys on my next one. Bye, guys!